We've got some DIY ideas that you should not miss. Let's start with the first one. Every present deserves a beautiful bow on top of it, isn't that right? Follow these steps and you'll be able to make your own. You're already done with it. Now here's what you can do with your hand towel. All you gotta do is follow the video for the folding instructions and you'll be done in no time. It's time for a gift wrapping tutorial. The process is quite simple to follow. And the result is unexpectedly good. Do you think you can do this? Give it a try. Tell us how yours turned out. Here are 3 quick t-shirt folding tricks that you should know about. That was pretty fast, wasn't it? You will want to remember these ones. Quick and easy. If you're struggling with folding your underwear, we've got you covered. Your clothes won't take much space in your closet when you fold them this good. Try them first and thank us later. We've included many forms for you to find yourself in here. You're about to see how you can fold a fitted sheet. Try to understand the movements as they happen. And just like that, you're done with it. Next, we're presenting some folding ideas when it comes to t-shirts. The more you know, the better. Are you enjoying these tips? They will come in handy when you're packing for a vacation for sure. Pants are next in line. This is how you fold them for shelves. And this one is for drawers. Can't forget about small hanging spaces. We hope you enjoyed the video.